In front of me is VIVO X200 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down. Now tap on Users and Accounts. Hit Google here. Tap on Google Password Manager and select any password you wish to check. Enter your screen lock and tap on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!